Hi and welcome to Infotech Corner. Today we are going to learn how to use Microsoft Teams. So before proceeding to the video, I would like you to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications. So before we go to the installation process, you must know what is Microsoft Teams. So Microsoft Teams is a platform where you can invite everyone you work with to chat, meet, call, collaborate all in one place, no matter where you are. So this is a Microsoft Teams. Up next is the installation process. What you need to do is you need to go to the description of the video and from there access the link to download the theme. This is the screen you will see when you click the link. So as you can see, I have already opened the Microsoft Teams page. What you need to do is you just need to click this download for desktop. If you are using mobile, then you need to click this. So now I'm using a desktop. What I need to do is I need to click this. So I have already downloaded the theme. I don't need to download, but for you need to download it. So let's cancel it. The installation process for Microsoft Teams is quite easy. You just need to double click it and it will install by itself. So after installation you need to open it. Let's open it. I have already installed it. So as you can see, a screen like this appear. What you need to do is you need to either access your Gmail or you need to use your Microsoft Teams account. If you don't have, you can sign up for this. So I already have my Microsoft Teams account. What I need to do is I need to access that. So what you need to do is you need to allow my organization to manage my device and then no sign into this app only. So now it will completely open. So as you can see, the Microsoft Teams is opened. The first thing you will see is activity. In this activity you will see newsfeed. This newsfeed will be from everything that is from your friends or your colleagues or those who works in your company, and also that they have posted something or they uploaded something. Everything will appear over here. It is just like a Facebook news feed. The second option you will see over here is chat. And in this chat room, what you will see is you are chatting with friends that you do. And if you want to add someone, what you need to do is you need to ask them by clicking on this. And after that, you will have options like video call, voice call and screen sharing. And the best thing about Teams is that you will have all your chat files that you shared in this chat room and something like organization and activity at the same place in your chat room. So let's go to the third option. The third option includes calendar, in which you will see all the scheduled meetings or classes that you will have in your upcoming days. As you can see, there are separation of 5 days in my calendar because I am taking classes 5 days a week. You can also make your own calendar by clicking this new meeting and work week. So guys, this is the calendar point of view. Let's go towards the assignment. Here is the assignment part. I have 5 subjects as you can see on my screen. So what you need to do is if you want to check whether you have assignment or not, first thing it will appear a red circle on every subject of yours if this your teacher or your organization uploaded an assignment or quiz. So you need to click either of these. Let's click this and say next. As you can see, I have an assignment due July 31. What you need to do is you need to open it and see the assignment you have, and then after you have done your assignment, what you need to do is you need to go to add work so you can upload your assignment. And in here what you need to do is you need to either create a new file or you can upload it from your device. either from PC or mobile. So after uploading, it will automatically come here, and then what you need to do is you need to just turn in your assignment so that it is received by your teacher. So let's go to the fourth option of team. Now this is an interesting part of your team. This is where you will see each subject over here. When you click over here, you will have the detail about that subject or about that meeting room. So as you can see, I have already lots of chat with my teacher, and here in the same room you can have your files, class notebook, assignments and gradings at the same page by the name team. So the fifth option is of calls. This option includes all the people you have called with, or you can directly call to a specific person by just typing their name in here, or you can see 8-speed dial or new group. You can group chat or group call in here, and you can see that I have my contacts over here, history and voicemails. The last option of team is files. This is a place where you will see all your files uploaded by your teacher or by your organization. So as you can see, I have my Microsoft Team, and these are all the lectures assignments that my teacher had uploaded. You can see each teacher has uploaded theirs. Here you will see all the downloaded stuff from the Microsoft Team, or you can either access the open download folders. You can also save your documents into OneDrive if you already have accessed it and you have it. So let's move to more add apps. There you will see Edu class notebook, Edu stuff notebook and help OneNote. You can also make your own notes and planner. You can plan shifts and stream. The best thing and the most important thing in team is stream, where you will see all the videos. If your teacher have recorded them, you will see in stream. Stream is a platform where you will watch your videos. It's like YouTube, but it is a part of team. You can have a download option if your teacher had allowed it, or you can only just watch your video. So the last thing for today's video is that I want to show you how you can screen share with your friends or teacher. So let's do that. So guys, I'm calling that person and I'm going to show you how you can screen share with that person. So as you can see, I have called this specified person. What you need to do is you need to click this share, and in here you need to select which screen you want to share. So let's, for instance, I'm going to share this chapter 1. Just wait, it will share the screen. As you can see, I have shared my screen with the person. You can share any screen with them and they can see your screen. This is how you can share screen with your friends or your colleagues or the organization you are working for. And this is a place where you see participants if you have invited others, and you can chat with them in the same room. You can also extend your screen's resolution, or you can say enter full screen, and you will have a show more device settings. Here you will have control over your screen and your video. So these were all the general tools for Microsoft Team. I hope you understood what I just showed you. And the last thing what you need to do is you need to know how to quit or sign out your Microsoft Team. So you need to come here, and in here what you need to do is you need to right click on it and say sign out. It will sign out from the Microsoft Team. So guys, I hope you like my video, and I hope I'm clear to you about Microsoft Team. So if you like my video, do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive notification, and do share this video with your friends and colleagues.